Bagay chaud. La, ré, ga, télé, pélé. Cla, ré, ra, te, le, pe, le. Okay. I think technology is great in the hands of people. Like any other tool, the magic comes with how it's used. And over the years, we have seen Botswana do truly beautiful things with it, connecting with like minds, doing what they love, and living what they believe. It's really inspiring. We want to transform Botswana into a first-class digital economy. It's ambitious, we know. That's why Orange Botswana has invested in a nationwide initiative to enhance its network. We want Botswana to keep unlocking new opportunities. And to achieve that, there is a need for connection with more speed and more stability, meaning faster download, high-definition video streaming, augmented reality. And all this is possible today with our new technology, Orange 4G+. As we speak, Orange 4G Plus is available in the Greater Gaborone and in Francistown region. We know that our network is not perfect in some areas of the country. And this is why we have decided to implement a nationwide upgrade. Between now and September, our network will be renewed everywhere in Botswana, including small villages, big villages and cities. No one will be left behind. Now that our network is getting better and can absorb more and more traffic, yes, our data pricing is falling. The daily cap for all my friends, our social data bundle, has jumped from 200 MB to 500 MB. All my internet data bundle, permanent pricing has been cut. Connecta Flybox data bundle pricing has been cut. New affordable 4G Plus devices are available in our shops. And this is just the beginning. More good news are coming. This means Botswana can do even more of what matters to them. Baraeso, Clarera Telepele. I have been getting better as well. Botswana.